I needed to make some more rust papers, and so I am outside to do that so that I can make another collage. I'm using the tissue paper, art tissue paper, and I'm also using some of this Japanese sketch paper, and I have my bubble wrap to put some designs in it, and a new piece of rusty tin. Okay, I have placed my papers down on the rusty tin. I have poured the white vinegar on top of it, and I'm laying bubble wrap on top. And the last thing I did was to place all of the heavy objects on top to make sure that the paper adheres to the rusty tin. We will check it tomorrow. I just brought the papers in that I did on the new piece of rusty tin, and I wanted to show you. I really hit the jackpot on this one. Such beautiful colors and a wide range of colors. The bubble wrap was on part of it, and part was just plain. There we go. This one had more bubble wrap on it. It almost looks like a reptile skin. Beautiful. And then the second time that I used the same tin, the tissue paper is so thin that it tears sometimes, but this time it was more of a, I don't know if you can, it's almost a metallic-y color. And it has some brown, but let's see if I can get down close. See those brown spots on the metallic-y brown. Here's another piece. So if you can find you a piece of old barn tin and put your tissue paper on it, I think you will like the results. Look at the edges. I've rinsed all of the vinegar off of the barn roof outside. That looks green, but it's actually a greenish brown. Anyway, when I rinsed off that tin, I hope it will be ready to make some more soon. So if you enjoy using these types of papers and colors in your collage, then you may want to try this method of making your own papers.